Hi buddies, welcome back. It's Anne-Sophie and today I'm going to show you how you can adjust the size of your keypad and the screen things in general on your iPhone 15. For that, we want to go to settings and you want to go to display and brightness, and here you want to scroll down to display zoom. Click on that and now you can choose the larger text. You see the difference here. It's bigger, the icons are bigger, and we can say larger text now. Say done. Changing display zoom will restart the iPhone. So you have to say use zoomed to actually activate that. Then your iPhone will restart and then the larger text will be activated. When we go back, we also have the option to click on text size, and here we can put that all the way up to like the largest size, but this will only adjust the actual text size. What maybe help as well is to turn on the bold text. So you see the difference. Everything is a bit bigger and well, just bold in general. So maybe that will help you as well. You can turn that on. And when you've made your settings here, you can go back and then hopefully get along better with your iPhone 15. So that's how you can customize your keypad size on your iPhone 15. I hope you liked it, hope it helped. If so, thumbs up, share and subscribe, and I hope to see you next time. Bye.